Hey you guys, Katie Sandifer here with the Dorado School District, and I'm just popping on for a minute to share with you guys some information about our AMI days and how we're going to continue at home learning in the days to come. Right now, schools are still closed through April 17th, and beginning Monday, April 6th, kindergarten through 8th grade students in the El Dorado School District will begin to utilize a new format called Arkansas AMI for at home learning. Arkansas AMI is a partnership between the Arkansas Department of Education and PBS. So you can find out how your child's grade level will be using Arkansas AMI by going to eldoradopublicschools.org, and I've got it pulled up right here. ElDoradoPublicSchools.org. Right now, we have a notice that's coming up as soon as you enter our website that shows you that takes you straight to our AMI information. So you can just click right there. And if you'll just scroll down a bit, you'll see some updates from our COVID-19 response, a ton of information there. You'll see the information from days 1 to 10, which is what we're completing this week. And then you'll see AMI information for days 10 and beyond, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So, as I said, beginning Monday, we'll start utilizing Arkansas AMI. And down in this chart, you'll find the instructions for each grade level. If you click on those, it will take you to a document that will outline exactly how Arkansas AMI is being used for your child's grade level. As I said, you can read through that. It will tell you exactly what we'll be doing. We'll be starting with week 2 of Arkansas AMI, and I'll show you what that's going to look like here in just a minute. But you'll see specific instructions for all of our elementary schools, for Washington, Barton, and then the high school. Now, the high school will not be utilizing Arkansas AMI. They will continue utilizing Google Classroom, so you just make sure that you click here, and that will take you to the information that you'll need for the high school. This will give you instructions. This side of the chart gives you instructions on how we're going to use Arkansas AMI. And then right here, these links will take you directly to the Arkansas AMI learning guides for your particular grade level, for your student's particular grade level. So I, at home, have a second grader. So I'm just going to click this very first one that is for grades kindergarten through second grade. And it takes me straight to the Arkansas AMI page for that grade level. And if you scroll down, you'll see some videos. And then you'll also see the weekly learning guide, the tab for the weekly learning guide. You'll click on this learning guide and you'll see specific information about the shows that are playing for your child's grade level. And what time, what day, and what time those will be showing. You'll also see a brief synopsis of some of the things that they'll be learning there. You'll look through, you'll also see on these AMI learning plans, you'll see a literacy corner, math mania, and think like a scientist, and a fun zone. And all of those are going to incorporate some of the curriculum that our students have been learning in the classroom. Once your child has watched the videos, which they can watch here online, or they can watch through our local PBS station, whichever you have easiest access to. Once they have watched those, you'll want to go back to the specific instructions for your child's grade level. Each of our teachers are setting up a Google Classroom to communicate with students and to make and receive assignments. So make sure that your child is logged in to each of his or her classes to get those instructions, to get those up-to-date information from their teachers. You will find them giving specific information about the information on the learning guides through Arkansas AMI and some specific required learning opportunities that they will need to complete. So make sure that you are logging into the Google Classroom each day after those videos have been watched to make sure that you get the correct, that you do the correct lessons for your class, and then you'll turn those in through Google Classroom. If you do not have internet access at home and you need a paper copy of the learning guide, then you can receive that by just calling the school office or stopping by there anytime between 8 and 12, Monday through Thursday, during this time of the school closure. And pick up one of those packets. The packets will also be available on the buses that are delivering meals around town. So if you can't get to the school to pick one up, then you can pick one up from those bus drivers. Just make sure that you're there at delivery time so you can make sure to get one of those. If you have any questions at all, our teachers are available from 8 to 3 each day via email and through their Google Classroom. So take a look at this, familiarize yourself with Arkansas AMI, and if you have any questions, reach out to your teachers, and we look forward to continuing your learning.